Welcome to our Intro to Seller University. No two businesses are identical. Each seller has their own operations, goals, and strategies, and can choose a different set of Amazon programs and tools to optimize their business. Seller University training is developed by Amazon's product and business experts. It offers tools and resources that help establish and sharpen your selling skills, no matter your level of experience or business stage, and act as an on-demand selling coach. In this video, we'll share ways to make the most of Seller University's resources and how to create a personalized learning journey that's tailored to meet specific goals. You can interact with these resources in a few different locations. In Seller Central through our dedicated landing page, on YouTube, and via live webinars. Choose which to use based on your preferences and what you'd like to learn. Most sellers use a combination of all three platforms since each features resources to help them master Amazon's tools and selling processes and position their business for long-term success. We recommend starting with the Seller University landing page in Seller Central. To get there, open the main menu, hover over Learn, and select Seller University. Click the bookmark icon next to Seller University to save it to the website's header. This means you'll be able to access it from any page in Seller Central later on. This platform includes a comprehensive library of all Seller University training. You can use the drop-down menus on the left to find the content that's right for you, whether you'd like to learn new skills or sharpen old ones. The first 11 topics are perfect for beginners. Complete them in order for the best results and dive into the concepts, vocabulary, and skills required to master selling in the Amazon store. They'll also help you avoid the common pitfalls that can increase the amount of time it takes to make your first sale. The description below each training gives you an overview of what you'll learn and more resources related to that topic. After you've completed a foundational training series, you're ready to browse content that interests you. Browse the drop-down menus for topics, search for a term or phrase, and use the Customize Your Interests tool to locate more training. You'll find content spanning topics like product overviews, paths to resolution for common errors, and tips for growing your business or brand, to name a few. New and experienced sellers can also register for upcoming webinars. These cover a number of selling topics for different stages of your business. But our webinars also include a presentation followed by a live question and answer session with Amazon experts. Join to ask your own questions and learn what's top of mind for other sellers. Seller University webinars feature a new topic each week. You can register for an upcoming session in one of three ways. 1. From Seller University, select the Webinar tab and refer to the upcoming webinar section for session details and registration links. 2. From your Seller Central homepage, locate the News tile and select Read More. Then filter your news articles by the Learning and Development tag to reference upcoming webinars and schedules. We publish a new article each week. 3. From the email inbox associated with your Amazon selling account, check for messages from Seller University. Review the session description and click on a registration link to sign up. We'll only send direct emails periodically, so monitor news articles and the Seller University landing page for upcoming webinars. You can also find on-demand training on the Amazon Seller University YouTube channel. It includes step-by-step tutorials and overviews for those preparing to sell in the Amazon store or those just getting started. Scroll down to watch our top 10 playlists, or use the Playlists tab to browse ones we've curated to help you understand key selling topics and tools. Like you would with any training hosted on the Seller University page in Seller Central, review each video's description to locate other resources related to that topic. You'll also notice Seller University training while you're working in Seller Central. They're meant to assist you with the task at hand so you can avoid leaving the page for the information you need. Interact with each page's Learn More, Watch Tutorial, or helpful text to learn as you go. Finally, after you search Amazon's help articles in Seller Central, you'll find Seller University training listed in your search results or embedded directly on a page. The training you'll find across Seller Central will most often relate to removing obstacles that limit your ability to sell or helping you troubleshoot errors. Seller University's landing page, live webinars, and YouTube channel cover more comprehensive key topics, like how to launch a successful business and stay on course. Determine the key tools and applications that matter for your business. List and price products and fulfill customer orders. Use branding, advertising, and promotions to enhance your content and help sellers find your listings. Manage fees, payments, and account health and performance. And build confidence and drive business outcomes. And more. This concludes our training on the Intro to Seller University, but it's only the beginning of prioritizing your selling education. Return to Seller University often to keep up to date on tools and strategies that can help take your business to the next level. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!